Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to create yes or no drop-down list with color in Excel. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. There will be only two entries in our drop-down list, yes and no. We can prepare them in advance or manually enter them later. So we select the range of cells in which the drop-down list will be, go to the Data tab, Data Validation, in the Allow field we select the list option, and now in the Source field we enter a range with yes and no entries, or just manually enter them separated by commas. Click OK and the drop-down list is created. Now to add a color to the entries from our drop-down list, we select the range again, click on Conditional Formatting, highlight Cells Rules and select Equal to. In this window we type the entry that is presented in our list and set the color for it. We can choose a color from the presented option or by clicking Custom Format to create something of our own. We can choose the font, border type and cell fill. But for this example I'll choose the green color for the yes entry. Please note that the color is selected separately for each entry, and for the no entry I'll choose red. Let's check how the drop-down list works. Yes, everything is great. The entries with the word yes are green and the entries with the word no are red. And to delete such a drop-down list, select the same data range, Data tab, again Data Validation, and change the validation criteria to any, and click OK. And the drop-down list is deleted. That's all. Now we know a little more. Thanks for watching.